Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Ari Purwakusuma. I want to present my paper in the title Semantic Literature Review, Algebra Thinking Process in Mathematical Learning. Algebra thinking in mathematical algebra is regarded as the most significant gatekeeper to fulfill the objective of algebra for all. It is commonly agreed that children in elementary school should have experience that prepare them for more rigorous algebra course in later grades. Teacher must have a thorough understanding of how people fulfill reason algebraic. That is significant because the instructor must consider the will teaching course source linear programming, equation and inequality, exponential and logarithm, and order topic the involved in the use of algebraic from an algebraic solution. Summation of the level of algebra thinking affects student mathematical ability so that many students still have difficult obtain from information from the question given so that students have difficult prediction pattern and checking information. Based on the description, this study aims to analyze and synthesis founding from exciting empirical research to provide more explanation about algebraic thinking and a matter related to algebraic thinking on mathematical skill in terms of several variables such as education level, learning material, and media use. Method Semantic literature review approach was employed in the investigation. This systematic literature review research do this identifying reviewer evaluation and interpreting all available research. To complete this research, the research college journal article on the same directs Google Scholar Mendeley database with the help of the publish of Paris application. The keyword is thinking algebraic. The article college are only article publishing in the period 250 to 221 from various article. The research selected 23 articles that were close related to the keyword used. In the next step, the research group the article is need. The metadata of the article is tabulation in a table that include the author name, title, year or publication, journal name, type or research, and research result. After that, the research reviewer and analyze the article in depth and spatially regarding the research result presented in the discussion section and the conclusion section. Figure under semantic referral protocol, research question, and then search by keyword thinking algebra, database sign direct, Scopus, Crossref, dan Google Scholar, relevant by title sign direct, Scopus, Crossref, and Google Scholar. Relevant base abstract results, Science Direct, Scopus, Crossref, and Google Scholar. Quality assessment data instruction and synthesis and result. Result result and discussion and the effect size of the various category used and the relationship with algebra thinking research with order variable. Based on the founding of 5 years of study, it was found the research on algebra thinking was mostly carried on the junior high school unit level. From the result of 23 review article, there was 90 students on the junior high school level, one high school and three students. Effect size on the effect of the variable on the variable and is influenced by the number of sample used based on the table 1 above. The effect size test using the test glass data obtain result on the level of education. Algebra thinking obtain on effect size of 0.82 with a category effect high obtained in research on the application of learning using a multiple representation strategy with realities a proof of effect. This high occurs in junior high school students. Based on the result of the students that have been carried out by research using a qualitative approach is also presented in Table 1, starting for several articles on the result of the difficulty analysis research. It was discovered that students had a hard time extracting information from the question they are given, making it difficult from them to forecast trend and piece knowledge. Order also state the error what student ignorant rights related to the problem proposed, lack of understanding related to mathematical modeling. Furthermore, based on the material taken by research related to algebra thinking, more research to subject in junior high school on linear equation material as on the test tool, the determinant student algebraic thinking skill according to the result of the analysis because SPLDV is very easy when linked to problem in real life. In contrast to other material works, application is very difficult when associated with a real problem. Thus, in SPLDV material, student skill are see developed. Algebra and algebraic thinking have a very close relation to the development, achievement, and knowledge communication in a field of mathematics, including linear equation, geometry, and statistics. Meanwhile, from the aspect of order variable related to algebraic thinking, it is found the algebraic thinking ability when viewed from gender products different result. Gender is a physico-social aspect that determines the way a person behave to be accepted in his social environment. Gender difference can be a differentiating factor for someone to think and determine the solution to the problem taken. From the result of the analysis article totaling 23 obtained a theory of model or framework or algebra thinking, starting from the definition level or level participant from an intervention and knowledge domain. That is the focus of research. Some of the thing discussion in the theoretical framework in this article are first the notion of algebra thinking from this article. It can be concluded that the meaning of algebra thinking is a mental reasoning process in solving concrete problem by generalizing, transforming in the form of symbol on global metal scale. Conclusion: based on the result and discussion in this systematic literature review, several conclusions can be drawn, namely, the effect size of the variant category used and the relationship with algebra thinking research with other variables that have become the focus of research on algebra thinking in the last 5 years, spread from median and low effect, height, where everything is influenced by the number of sample and data obtained. The Hague effect was obtained in the category of junior high school participant is the form of the application of the learning model used in improving the algebraic thinking skill of junior high school student from several articles. There were various participants from junior high school, senior high school, college student, but the trend of research on algebraic thinking in the last 5 years was more in junior high school participant associated with several mathematical skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and creative thinking. Using question in the form of linear equation to identify algebra thinking skills, student algebra thinking based on gender show that there are different and in algebra thinking abilities and different in mathematical ability and gender can be used mapping student algebraic thinking ability and then the level algebra thinking of student X 12 until 70 years. It is a level 2, namely understanding the unknown and operating operation. The theoretical framework on algebra thinking is formed from the definition of algebra thinking, type types of algebra thinking, and level of algebra thinking. I think that's all. I think enough. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.